Hello everyone, my name is Khatana and I'm a practicing High Court lawyer. A lawyer at the beginning of his career should choose a niche or should he work as a general practitioner? This question is very popular among those lawyers who are just starting their practice. Or maybe they are just going to law school and thinking to start their practice next year. I'm going to answer this question in detail, but for that, you will have to watch this video completely. Before I begin the video, I would request you to kindly like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After practicing in Pakistan for many years, I've realized that you cannot choose one specific area of law or niche at the beginning of your career. The reason why I'm saying that, when you're going to go to the law firm, they are going to assign you the work which might be related to civil court, IPO, competition commission, or you might have to travel to other districts or provinces in order to appear before the honorable civil courts and the lower courts. You cannot say no to your law firm and you will have to perform every task they are going to assign you. Which is why at the beginning of your career, even if you join a niche law firm, so let's suppose you go to a law firm which is only dealing with corporate clients, but you need to realize that the corporate clients also have civil litigation. And they might have litigation which is related to their family law as well. So they are going to give everything to this lawyer. And the lawyer who is running a corporate law firm, he is not going to say that I'm not going to deal with these cases. He might engage other lawyer for such cases and he's going to supervise it. But he's still going to book that case, and if you are working in his law firm, he can guide you that how do you have to file a suit and appear for this specific case. So even if you join a niche law firm, you might have to perform the task which is not related to that niche area of law, or they might give you work which is related to other area of law. If I talk about myself, when I started my practice, I joined a corporate law firm, but they gave me so much work which was related to the civil law, and I had to appear before the civil courts. And the other work they had was related to the banking law, so I also had to appear before the banking courts. However, I did not have any understanding of criminal law at that time, so I worked in that law firm for almost a year and a half. And I did corporate work and most of it was civil work, because at that time I was just starting my practice, so I wanted to have an experience of the civil courts and lower courts. But after that, when I went to another law firm, that was another corporate law firm, but they had some litigation pending in the session court and the cases were related to criminal law, even though we were dealing with their main case in the high court which was related to the corporate law. But they had also litigation pending before the session judge, and we had to give them services regarding criminal law. So I also went to the session court, pleaded the bail application and worked on that case as well. After that, when I started my own practice, I got a case which was related to environmental law. I did not say to the client that I have never done it before and I'm not ready to do it. I just opted the case, I studied it, and then I went to the court and I was successful in that case. The point that I'm trying to make here is that at the beginning of your career, you are going to go to a law firm which is going to give you a work which might not be related to their specific area of law or to the niche that you want to work in. But if they give you some work maybe which is not of their area of law, you still have to perform that duty. And apart from the law firm, once you are set to go with your own law firm and you want to work for your personal clients, then you need to understand that those clients can come to you with so many propositions which are different from different area of laws, and you cannot say no to them. If you say no to them, they might think that you do not have that legal acumen to understand their problem. So the best advice in this scenario is that you try to work in as much different area of laws as you can at the beginning of your career. If you get a chance to appear before the courts, if you get a chance to appear before the AC, Assistant Commissioner, Revenue Board, Competition Commission, IPO, even if you have to go for company registration, even if you have to do the tax return, I think you must do that. And another thing that I would like to mention, that when you have your High Court license and you do not have work, or even if you have work, you must work in constitutional law and you must file writ petition before the Honorable High Court, and you can also go to Supreme Court under Article 184(3) in person for the implementation of the previous judgments or for any issue which is related to the interest of general public. I personally believe that at the beginning of your career, you have different phases from where you go through and then you become a good lawyer. So for some period of time, if you get a chance to do research and that is required by your law firm, then you should just do research for 6 months or 1 year, whatever that time is in that law firm. And after that, if you get a chance to go out and do litigation, even if you don't like that, I believe you should do that. So at the beginning, whatever opportunity comes to you, you have to say yes. You cannot say no to any opportunity at the beginning of your career because you don't know which niche is going to welcome you, and then you are going to work in that niche. After practicing as a general practitioner for many years, after some time you would also realize the message is going to come to you from your mind that now you have more clients in specific area of law and you have that potential to now choose the niche and only serve in this specific niche. Then that is the right time to choose that you are going to work in this only area of law, and you can advertise yourself that I only perform my legal duties under these area of laws. But you can't do that at the beginning of your career because this is going to affect your whole practice. Finally, I would like to say that you should work in every field of law, because ultimately when you are going to have your own law firm, these skills that you are going to gain during this time is going to help you a lot. And you will be able to manage different area of law under one law firm. Therefore, do not choose niche at the beginning of your career. This is my personal opinion. And if you would like to have a good career after 4 or 5 years, then I think you should spend 4 to 5 years in order to understand the basic law and different area of law, and whatever opportunity comes to you, just take it. I hope you liked my video. If you have any question that you would like to ask, please write it in the comment section. And if you haven't liked this video, please like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in another vlog. Take care. Bye bye.